Ate, magkano po yung income mo today?
Hi! Bali ngayon is September 20. So, ang income na pumasok sa akin ngayon is 17,500 in just one day. So, kinita ko siya dito sa I Am Worldwide. 17,500.
Ano pong background mo, ate?
Dati po akong estudyante, pero ngayon ginagawa ko na si I Am Worldwide. Ayan. 70,500 in just one day na income. September 20, 2024, may kita niyo po yan dyan sa aking dashboard.
Congrats!
Thank you, I Am Worldwide.
Totoo nga ba na may kumikita sa I Am Worldwide? It's Friday, it's check day. Tara, pakita ko sa inyo. Hello po! Ano pong background?
OFW from Japan.
Wow! Magkano po ang kinita this week?
My income for this week is 26,920.
Hi! Ano pong background?
Dati po akong sales associate. Nag-work ako for almost 12 years.
Magkano po check-in natin this week?
1 week income, 21,099 pesos po.
Hi! Anong background?
Jollibee Crew,
Wow! Magkano income this week?
kumita tayo ng 34,000 in just 1 week.
Hi! Anong background? Sir M. Bradley. Magkano income this week?
14,525.
Wow! Hello po! Ano pong background?
Ako ay isang retired Philippine Army.
Wow! Magkano po kinita this week?
Kita ko ngayon this week is 10,000 pesos.
Wow! Ano pong background?
Ayan, isa po tayong full-time housewife.
Full-time housewife. Magkano po kinita this week?
Ating income for this week ay 26,920.
Wow! 26,000 in 1 week! Hello po! Ano pong background?
Dati akong factory worker.
Magkano po ang 1 week income?
14,000 pesos in just 1 week.
Wow! Ay, anong background?
Ako, licensed civil engineer by profession.
Licensed civil engineer. Magkano kinita this week?
273,187.
Wow! Ay, anong background?
Dati po tayong sales lady sa mall at ngayon full-time housewife po tayo at nag-aalaga po tayo ng aking anak. Nakakatuwa kasi in just 1 week kumita po tayo ng 29,000.
Per 29,000. Ang background?
Former working student po ako.
Wow.
23 years old po.
Magkano income mo this week?
Actually, one day passive po natin ito, 13,399 pesos.
Wow! Hi! Ano pong background?
Ako seaman by profession. Kakagraduate ko lang last year.
Wow! Magkano po income this week?
155,000 pesos.
Grabe, 155,000! Pag-graduate na mapagsisipan. Hi! Ano pong background?
Housewife.
At magkano po kinita this week?
Kung 10,270, ayan doing part-time po dito kay I Am Worldwide. At the same time na meron po tayong retail income na 60,000 today.
Grabe!
Plus 32,000 check ni husband.
Almost 100,000!
Yung dating negative na husband ko, positive na mas malaki pa yung check sa akin.
Hi, Mens! Ano pong background?
Yes, ang background ko po is isang may traditional business. Yung kumita natin no, is 280,722 at 20 pesos within 2 weeks. Grabe. So, di ba, alam mo yun, yung isang may traditional business and of course, dinagdag lang natin yung aking I Am Worldwide. Kita tayo ng 280,720 within 2 weeks. Thank you so much and thank you I Am Worldwide. No?
Pong background?
Ay, dati ako seaman, pero dahil sa business natin, dito full-time na tayo.
Magkano income this week?
168,000 this week.
Grabe! Ano pong background?
By the way, full-time housewife po
Oh, magkano po ang kinita this week?
Meron tayong 9,500 extra income. Ayan, malaking bagay na siya para sa amin.
Ay, ano pong background?
Dati po akong MMD enforcer.
MMDA Enforcer, magkano po ang income this week?
Income po natin this week ay 17,200.
Wow! Ay, ano pong background?
Estudyante, 18 years old.
Ano ang kinita this week?
2,170.
Anong background?
Ang student po,
Magkano kinita this week?
3,500 in just 1 week pero passive income.
Wow! 3,000 estudyante lang. Congratulations!
Thank you po.
IM is it's a legit business, network marketing business na nataon we're blessed to have magandang products na amazing pure organic barley ni Ms. Maritone Fernandez, ating Diamond Lead Executive. So, it's a real business na seryosohan talaga ang pwedeng mangyaring resulta kapag ginawa ng tama. Well, dito kasi marami tayong natutulungan tao. At the same time, ang nabibuild kasi natin dito hindi lang yung mga taong may needs, kundi yung mga negosyante rin. Kumbaga yung mga taong made na sa buhay, ginagawa pa rin because more on purpose na sila. Hindi na, yung money, bonus na lang yun. Di ba? Kung may darating yun. So yung tulong mo sa tao na nakapagbigay ka ng magandang opportunity, tapos blessed pa nga tayo with our wonderful products na nakakatulong talaga sa tao. So sa kanila, iniintindi nila yung tao magkaroon ng experience na maganda. Ako naman kasi pagdating sa mga difficulty sa life, dinadaanan ko lang yun. Diba? Kailangan kasi sa buhay matibay. Lalo na sa ganitong industriya. Diba? Sa ganitong industriya kasi, dito makikilala mo talaga sino yung mga susuporta sa'yo, magtitiwala sa'yo. Diba? Pero dito, matitest mo yung character mo. Sa akin kasi naniniwala ako, pag gusto, lagi may paraan. Diba? Pag ayaw, maraming dahilan. So ako na pagsasabay ko ito, minsan, dinner break ng taping namin, naka-costume pa ako kung ano yung suot ko, nag-zoom pa rin ako, nag-IBP pa rin. Nasa taping ako, na pahinga, dinner break, nag-IBP pa rin ako. Or nag-mentoring pa rin ako. Kasi there's always time. Diba? Ang haba-haba ng 24 hours in one day. Ngayon, I don't spend it sleeping. I spend it working.
Well, how did you get her into modeling? Well, actually, we didn't plan for her to be a model. So I'm a distributor of I Am Worldwide. And one of their products is a Choco Barley. So I use Claire as a model on our social media because I distribute them through social media. So I took pictures of her and the Choco Barley, which is great for kids. And the CEO of Steadfast Collection saw her on Facebook, and so she was really interested with Claire. She found it cute, adorable, and so she connected with me and asked me if Claire could be a runway model. So yeah, I was like, sure, why not? I mean, I hesitate, but then a good friend of mine, which is Phoebe, she said, we can do it. We'll practice with her, and with YouTube and my friend Phoebe, she was able to do it.
Oh,
So,
great!
yeah.
Well, she's a hit, and good thing on the runway, you don't
Yes.
have to talk. It's all smiles and poses. So Claire,
That's
could you show us your runway walk? We're gonna get out of the way.
All right.
But you can like walk towards Ziggy if you want. Give us your best walk.
Ready? Get set, go.
Oh, the music, go.
Amazing morning. Ako po si Mentor Robin Johnson Santos, 81 years old, isang retired Philippine Army. Ginagawa ko po itong I Am Worldwide dahil po sa aking mga taglay na karamdaman nung ako ay medyo bata-bata pa. Mula po nung makilala ko itong Amazing Pure Organic Bodies sa pamamagitan po ng GC ng aking kasamahan, yun po nagsimula ako na gumamit dito at uminom araw-araw ng dala-dalawang sachet sa umaga at 2 sachet po sa hapon. Kaya nga po yung mga sakit ko tulad ng constipation, 2 baradong ugat sa aking puso at saka po yung enlargement of prostate ko, ngayon po balik normal na nang dahil po dito sa ating Amazing Pure Organic Barley. Kaya nga po ngayon nandito, check day, kumuha po ako ng kita ko sa loob ng 1 linggo ng 3,520. Wow. Kaya nga po kayo, kung wala kayong ginagawan tulad ko, let us join us dito sa I Am Worldwide. Maliban sa kumikita ka ng extra income, masaya pa po ang community. Kaya nga po, iniimbita po kayo na mag-join dito sa I Am Worldwide Corporation.
Thank you po.
Ako si Josepino Flores, 70 years old. Nag-join ako dito sa I Am Worldwide dahil dati meron akong kidney stone, so gumaling ako in 3 months sa pag-iinom ng 1 sachet barley at ngayon gumaling na ako, ginagawa ko na itong negosyo. Ang dami ko nang nasiran ng pure organic barley, marami na akong natulungan, 250 na tao na yung under ng team ko. Ang dati kong trabaho, ako ay isang retired Philippine Army, pensionado, at naging OFW for 19 years. Ngayon ay check day, so nag-claim ako ng weekly income ko na 10,000 pesos.
Wow, grabe no, senior citizen na isa sa mga kumikita sa negosyo na to. Thank you so much, Tito Joe.
Thank you din.
Sinong mga proud ambisyosa dito? Ano, may pahinga na ba kayo? Alam mo yung mahirap sa pagiging ambisyosa at overachiever, parang feeling mo, kailangan mo laging maging productive to the point na ginagawa mong reward yung pahinga. Kaya yun din yung reason kung bakit ako naging sakitin. And I realized I don't have to beat myself up just to achieve my goals. Kaya recently, ang atake ko ay prevention is better than cure. I've been taking care of my health kasi ang hirap maging ambisyosa na sakitin. And I've been taking health supplements like I Am Worldwide's Immunergy at least once a day after a meal. Meron na siyang vitamin C, zinc, vitamin D, and moringa. I've also been taking amazing pure organic barley. I'm not gonna lie, lasa siyang matcha. And I'm not a big fan of matcha. Pero with its health benefits, mapapalaban ka talaga. Meron kasi itong 68 micronutrients including vitamins, minerals, amino acids, enzymes, and a rich source of antioxidants. I take this on an empty stomach at least 30 minutes before I take my meal kasi nutrients are better absorbed on an empty stomach. Pansin ko recently na hindi na ako mabilis sipunin at lagnatin. Dati kasi, konting maulanan lang ako, may sakit na agad ako. Overall, I feel better and hindi na rin ako masyadong nagpapa-check up kaya hindi na rin masyadong nai-interrupt yung schedule ko. Anyway, this is your daily reminder that you can be hardworking but you don't have to pay for your dreams at the expense of your health and well-being. Tandaan, wag basta barley, dapat I Am Amazing pure organic barley.
Excuses for you to stay. Baby, I'm game. We gon' be poppin' outer space. No limitations, you're gonna make us stay. You know I'm game. Show me the way. Show me the way.